All right, you're starting recording back. Literally, beginning this 5 minute candle opened, we had price pull back down into this um, imbalance on the 15 minute. I decided to take it here, risking it's a buy stop as well. I didn't market execute 10 pips, so risking 10 to go for 20. That's not bad. Now I'm dealing with currency though, so we gotta deal with uh, commission. So we gotta go a little bit higher than 1%. Price might just be selling off instead. You know what I'm saying? Wouldn't be a bad sell. Seeing what it wants to reach for here. Last level of demand was here. You can see this was a full range of the 1 minute here. And this break to here being about 15 pips. Sounds about right. Filled in that range, 800 to 3200. You see that break? This buy play happened already. I'm noticing the difference in the importance between just market executing on an initial entry and waiting for the impulse break back up. The demand will be much greater as price breaks down, fills in, and filling any 5 minute, you know what I'm saying, imbalance as well. Tapping back in. Opening bell. Buyers here in the tech. Sellers here in the currency. Oh, buyers here in pound dollar. Pound wanting to go for those 15 minute high, 15 minute, 30 minute high. Flat bottom, flat bottom. Means it's reaching for something. Sell off, sell off. Boom. Grab liquidity, boom. Selling off. Grab 1 minute highs on indices. Tapped into this. 5 minute S&P. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong screen. My bad. Y'all can't even see what I'm looking at. I'm dead. Ooh, immediate buyers here on tech. Move straight past that supply. It's not fucking with that. Creating imbalance though. Exactly what we want. This is why I've learned not to take the initial buy because the emotional thing that has traders jumping in the trade, I want people to jump in the trade. I want people to get attached to this buy. Get all attached to accumulate as much as possible and create that imbalance. and let me hop in on the way back down. So if it's meant to truly be true to, if it's true to trend, if it's true to the trend and it's meant to be, that was a tongue twister for me for a second. Then I'm with it. It's like in terms of anything that was pre-opening bell and evenness, all I saw was $0. We want to make sure that the DXY is actually going to be heading down before we try to trade it, right? Taking 5-minute highs in here, going for that. I like that buy stop. How high it's gonna go though, I don't know. That'd be questionable for sure. 5 points is right here, so right above that 1-to-1 would be yeah. Pound isn't playing. Let's see what GJ's doing. GJ not bad. GJ reached back into that demand in fair value. So that was a nice play right here. That buy from a 15-minute standpoint from here, that's not a bad buy on GJ. That's not a bad buy on GJ. Sheesh. All right. Just got FOMO there, but I'm not mad. Well, it looks like E's about to get triggered. EU triggered. Okay, we're in EU. Definitely don't want to risk the whole thing here. Definitely thinking about just going and pulling in, scaling in here. Just because we're against this trend that's already built. Literally pushing against the trend. The hourly looks hideous. At the 4 hour, we would be aiming for that weekly open. That's the next target. We break this high in here, we're definitely going for weekly open. So we can maybe safe to say that's what we're playing, right? We go for at least a 3-to-1, right? We're risking 10 pips. We're going for 30. Right about that 1 hour open. We got a nice little initial break. Yeah, see, I'm not risking the same amount. Nice 5-minute engulfing though. We got that 5-minute engulfing. Candle close. Tapping back into its own demand. Looking like it wants to reject off that high. We getting a bearish DXY or no? DXY will leave the 50 SMA. I like that. On the 15-minute. I want a 15-minute on that. 15-minute. 5-minute bearish engulfing. Price action agreeing with the trend. Trend is your friend. Okay, pulling back. Wanted to break these lows in here. Asian session break and retest off the supply. Same thing with EU, agreeing with the demand here. like the indices have printed. Well, here's the thing: they're printing, doing what I need them to do, but not in the best manner, desired manner. Right? Tech. Oh, just filled in a little bit more. EU filled in its candle. I mean, tech filled in its candle. Buy side liquidity here. Gap here on yen. Nice one on yen. Yen be moving so much though. I don't know if it'll come back. If any of the pairs that I don't have hesitation for, it's the yen. I'm actually take off S&P. Not really going to take an entry position on there. More focused on yen. Even if euro dollar fails me, I'm heavily confident in the yen. Every time I'm go. Sure, so let that candle do that. Gotta set an alert on pound yens. We're gonna take a play like this. Going for the weekly highs essentially. A little bit more. A risk 15 to go for 30. Sure, and I risk 2% on pound yen. You're looking good. Pound yen sets you up. Okay, risking 2%, around 23 pips. No, we want to scale that in a little bit. Oh, it's about to market X me too. Oh, it's messed up. Boom, count on close here. We say 15 pips. Oh, 15 pips. And then scale it down to the actual thing what it's supposed to be. Tapped it. Will it actually break it? We have seen price do that many of times. EU pulling back on us too. No, what the heck? GJ crossing. Guys got into it on GJ. That's nice, but okay, so GJ Jack active and EU active. EU pulling back. Which I'm gonna sell EU, but if I'm gonna sell EU, I might as well sell the yen, right? Structure interesting here on Euro for sure. Euro sell doesn't give me the best confidence. I like pound yen. Let's see if they hold. It's so annoying. It won't let me do what I'm trying to. Pound yen did a slight tap too, which is crazy. There we go. Euro pulling in. There we go. Didn't see anything on NSC in the tech. Pound dollar definitely has an interesting gap of its own here. I'm already inside of my play, so I'm not going to enter anything else. I'm just scanning the market. So pound dollar, EU, and GJ. Those are the movers. Agreeing with the 15-minute fair value that didn't get filled with inside of London session, but actually got filled in through here, through the 230, 245 candle. Filling in there, aligning with that supply. GJ running, nice. All we mainly need is GJ here. Let me make sure I got my TP in the right place. Yeah, we're going for 4,000 here for sure. I get too greedy. I actually want to go for 60 points, 50 points here because GJ can do it. And I'm going to do a partial TP. This is the main trade right here. It's definitely the main trade. I'll close EU if I got to. Partial TP this bad boy. Right in here. I'm going to partial U. Closing out 85%. Boom. And like I said, going for 50 points here. That's the main rocker. Like I said, we will close EU if we need to. Pound yen is the main move, the main driver. NASDAQ rejecting here. I want to see the dollar just align. If anything, I'll close half on EU. May end up having to close half here. Let me move this off the screen real quick. I'm not agreeing with this price action. See the up, it's trying to come back. EU coming back. Okay, let me be patient. Trying to see. I think I want to just close half on EU, if not the full thing. Yeah, I closed the full thing on EU. I wasn't feeling it. If it breaks up, I'll just enter again. But I went ahead and closed out early. I think it was like $100 plus commission. And now I'm out of EU completely. I want to not let me say, geez, let me drag it over. I'm out of EU completely. Was it closed under the 50 MA and on the 5-minute? Giving me bearish vibes here on the 5-minute as well. Rejecting off this. I can definitely see it coming back filling in, but as of right now, I don't want to be below as it comes back down. Rather take the vibes back up. You dig? Like I said, and if I need to re-enter again, I will. I'm not really scared to of that case. Like I said, close 159 with the 10 line I was on. So I'm not scared to re-enter on another 10 if I need to. Taking the buy. We're in on pound yen. Vibing good. Got that first 5-minute engulfing. Giving me strong vibe. See it pull back a little bit. Pulled in to this 1-minute imbalance. Feel that. Price be ranging on GJ, boy. Spread here on GJ is nice as well. Very nice. Very nice. So we're going for 50 pips here. We got a partial. Close 85% off here. Around 30 pips. The initial 1-to-1 being here. I'll mark that. So I'll just leave the fib up, to be honest. I like leaving the fib up. Okay, show me your magic. Show me your magic. EU looking like, oh, see, look. EU wanted to come back. See, I like that. That bullish engulfing. I'm not afraid to take that. Just got to give it to me. Definitely got to give it to me. I'm not just going to keep reaching on EU. And I actually don't even like it, to be honest, because that big giant white EMA is at 3,200. I'm actually not even going to focus on EU anymore. The setup is there, but it just doesn't look high probabilistic to me. I'm willing to let it go. I'm willing to let it go. Focus something more like NASDAQ, maybe. S&P. Building this gap. Nice possible break here on S&P, though. I like it breaking back over that 100 EMA again. The gap isn't there like I thought it was. Yeah, it is. Here to here. That small gap. This is a high risky trade though. As long as pound yen is moving in my favor, that's all I really care about, to be honest. I may just say bump everything else and just focus on pound yen, but I don't know. There's another possibility. I want to take it. Pushing higher and higher here. Reaching. Wait, where the gap that I felt? Why does it look different? Am I tripping? Yeah, not there. Why could I not just see that? Oh, that's not mine. There you go. First reaching for week previously. Now this current weekly high. Today being Wednesday, London. Weekly high from Tuesday, New York. Tuesday, New York liquidity chilling. Chilling right there. This is the play. EU made the move. Okay, I'm not really stressing. I'm not stressing at all, actually, because I caught that nice play on GJ here. All right, we're up 2,000. Hit that 1-to-1. Going for the 2-to-1 here. Not gonna move my stop to break even, like I usually do. Just gonna wait. We've lost so much here. Need all the profits need as much profits as possible. Rejection off weekly high. Think we'll get it. I remember we were risking 15 to go for 30. And we're risked 2% on this trade. That's gonna get us a 4% gain. Feel comfortable, feel nice. Nice bullish engulfing on tech. From a 5-minute standpoint. EU might be a good buy here. I might have closed early on EU, but like I said, it had that EMA in front of it. I wasn't really trying to take that. Possible 5-minute. Reach back here. I kind of like this on NASDAQ. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to re-enter anything else. It's going to be NASDAQ. It's going to be this 5-minute buy up. Thinking about it, thinking about it. Thinking, do I want to enter it now or wait till the candle close and wait for a fair value? Wait for it to come back and close in this imbalance. I think that might be the play. Let's see what it does. Let's see how far it pulls back. Pound yen reaching. We're almost there on pound yen though. Come on, baby, get up there. Great entry because of great spreads. Great spreads here on pound yen. That was crucial for this buy. We're almost there. Feel good. Once we get to the 1618, I'm gonna break even. NASDAQ taking that bullish buy here. I'm gonna wait. Be patient. No need to rush it. I'm already in a good trade. Great trade. Great trade. Just make sure it holds as it's breaking above weekly highs here. Weekly highs are going to show some resistance as the liquidity is grabbed. The candle's going to close. Right? How far will we reach past liquidity is the question. Liquidity is here. All right. Once it goes, our TP unfortunately is a little bit higher. So it's breaking. It's broken. Breached. Now we got a whole nother what? 10 pips. 326. Yeah, we got 10 pips above that. Eesh. So let's be courteous of that. I'm not gonna go even. I'm not even gonna go break even. I will not go break even. I'll hold. As risky as this is. Counter close. I want to see it full off that 30-minute. Oh no, that's a nice 30-minute engulfing for sure. For sure, actually. So stops below that. For sure, but anything below that, price comes back below and breaks this 30-minute, I'm out. I'm not fucking with that. Especially as it grabbed liquidity up here. Risking the biscuit here. It was up my 2%. Could have closed the break even on the account, but I'm gonna hold the trade. I like the analysis. Great analysis here. Got the 1-to-1. Now let's trust the setup. Let's trust the strategy. Right? The strategy is that when the imbalances play within the session range, you go to a 2-to-1. It's held true to itself, so I'm not even really worried, to be honest. See what the other markets are doing. You see Euro rejecting off that resistance. It's got right over its head. Literally chilling right on his head. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Got a nice 5-minute pullback. Even has a nice little fair value in here. I want to see the DXY. What is the DXY doing now? That's the important truth. Mm. This is why you gotta be curious. When the dollar gains strength, though, usually for some reason GJ just continue does what it's doing. It does not as affected as much as by the dollar. That's why I like GJ, especially during London. Especially during London. I haven't even really back tested Silver Bullet this much in this session, but hey, it's playing to the T right now. Crazy setup right now. We could get bearish break here. And the DXY is exactly what we need. We need the DXY to break back low. Definitely don't need it to come back in here. Let's see. Never know though. Pound yen looking like what we needed to. Still holding this high. If it comes back to my entry though, I will close at half, unfortunately. That would just be a 1-to-1 toughness for sure. I believe in it straight though. I really do. Nice momentum, nice volume, especially from a 15-minute 30 standpoint. Price reached back again within that 15-minute candle. So it's just struggling to break above, yesterday's high and weekly's highs, which is the target. It hit it perfectly. Now, if we can just get a little bit more above that, if I could just get like 8 to 12 more pips out of that, perfect. That would be perfect. Price coming back now. My money bet. Let me know. Pay. Ring the bell and I'm paid. You see the euro pulling back to the dollar. Dollar filled in that gap. Dollar gap been mitigated already. We're gonna close that out some. Any slow openness, 5 minute. Heavy supply here for sure. I like this demand play. Let's see. 30-minute opening from pound yen. This is actually a nice, people play this. So buy right here. Fill in the rest of that wick and then go up a little bit more. Pull back just a little bit just to go up. That's okay. Looking at this gap here on tech. That's a tough buy. That's the silver bullet play on tech. I'll set that up. I won't market exit. I won't put a buy. I won't buy limit it, but I'll buy stop it. Meaning I'll catch it on the way back up, not the way down. I'm not even gonna set an order. Spread, put me in there. I'll go small. Put me in small. Put me in 2 lot. Just emotionally put me in the trade. Boom, I'll take that. Risk in 1/4%. Risk in 1/4. Going for 3-to-1. Giving me 3/4. Give me 3/4 back. My bad. So that's the play on tech. Tech and pound yen usually trend together. Come on, pound yen. I'm really confident in that. This usually does not come back here. I'm confident it's gonna go for that daily high now. Double tap into the zone though is crazy. Did barely breach it though. There is do that. I think they leave that floating though. They leave that floating. I don't think it comes back all the way. We're gonna see. Tech reacting, let's go. A 20 to 24 off the normal 2-to-1 target is the play. Once again, trusting the buy on NASDAQ with the daily opening as our support. Same bias as before. Or you always want to keep the same bias. Same bias as before when we try to take buys here. Forget the initial sell. Initial sell was a gap that I tried to take. That was too early. Risk more than I should have as well. And then this buy is similar to the exact same thing we're taking now. Risking less, aware of it, because of our emotions. Already deducted into something else that is pulling back more. How do we react off this? Dollar coming up. Let's see, from 3 o'clock to 3:20. $3 bearish. On GJ from 3 o'clock to 3:20. We're bullish. So we're opposite of the DXY right now. We need to see what happens in the DXY. And then this area. This little setup right here is what we're looking at. Tech pushing. Nice. I see that same energy across the board now. I want to see that same energy on pound yen. Nice 1 minute engulfing. I want to see it keep that same energy. 5 minute candle close. Tech pushing here. Oh, it's not playing with that silver bullet, boy. Look at the volume off that candle. Feel like I wasn't the only one that took that trade, yeah. Okay, 1-to-1 hit for, well, I don't know, 1-to-1 hit. This was supposed to be how much? 260. I'm already up with our wrist. Going for that 750, like I said. Give me my 3/4 back, man. Definitely gonna break even on this though. I don't want to play with this. Not at all. Looks like the trade though for sure. I think we got it. I think we caught it, boys. That's a little bit scary though, that 5 minute here. We would need the immediate push trend. Yeah, we need that immediate right there on yen. Not looks like it wants to come lower for sure. Pound yen took the accumulated liquidity. Tech reaching. Come on. Tech reached that 1-to-1 already. 1-to-1 hit. Tech going for the 2-to-1. So that's nice. That's a win. That's a half win here on NASDAQ. Silver bullet play. Filled in this gap. 1-to-1 was hit. Going for the 2. Top of that range. That's low. These are the extreme targets. Well, I can obviously scale it lower. Right, 15 points is pretty spot on though. Let's see. Pound yen reacting back, going bullish. Ring me that bell when that money rings. Nice. 2-to-1. BP. Hit. Struggling to type here. Okay, 1-to-1 was here. Nice to see how that was ran. See how price reacts as well. Actually, yes, dollar doing what we want. We need the dollar to break these lows. Volume will come heavily into the market, and the pound yen will smash my target if we can get the dollar to break these lows. DXY breaking lows. Need DXY to break that low. It's given like it wants to range in here. Let's see. DXY. I mean, the tech filling in this gap. This is a high probabilistic uh sell for sure. Right in that range. There's demand in here. Yeah. That's a high probability sell. We'll see how price action reacts in there, but that's my target. Or value gap. 30 points. Not necessarily the target being the top of that gap is the target. Usually you want to target halfway. But from where my entry within the silver bullet, 30 points is the target. So I went break even after 101. That's usually against rules, but I'm down and I don't want to risk anything more. Pound yen recovered, hasn't broken the high yet. Did not tap back into their value. So initial touch, still running. Looking like he wants to break there. We're gonna hit that 1618 for sure. Pushing. There we go. Tech pushing. Agreeing. Need the dollar to break that low now. Come on, dollar. Come on, dollar. Come on, dollar. Dollar bills, y'all. Okay. Looks like it's going for it. I like this. 3-minute price action is agreeing. Everything between 325, 330, and 335. These three candles right here. Price has agreed. Coming to take these lows. Taking the lows out of here would be great. Come take these structural lows right here, please. Tech look like it wants to come back. If it comes back, I might break even. I'm okay. I'm not really care about tech. Tech was just more money to gain back what I lost from it earlier. I want to see Euro come take these highs. Come on. Yeah, and you got it. Come on, Pound. Pound getting support from his brother. Everything in alignment here. Okay. Imbalance here on Pound Yen. It's been mitigated. M for mitigation. They're waiting on permission. Pound Yen and Net Tech are waiting on permission. DXY needs to give him permission, man. Give him that permission, man. Time's at 342. And it would align within this next 15-minute candle for the dollar. I see it. I see this 15-minute candle grabbing. I see it pulling back as well. Looks like it wants to. It's leaving some supply right here. Supply needs to be revisited. Looks like. I don't know what you're gonna see though. I do see that there is support here, so be wary. A reaction will come after initial break because of this white EMA. I see price coming to the white EMA, doing some type of bounce off that. So hopefully come back down. That's the idea here. Probably pull back here. Structurally, that's what we are gonna see. Drag this out time wise. So hopefully by 5 o'clock within the next 4-hour candle, this happens. Nice feel of the 30-minute indecision bearish doji. Price action aligning. Nothing happening, no volume. Everything is waiting on the dollar. I'm gonna pull up the volume indicator now though. Let's see. Everything just sitting here chilling. Like, well, dollar, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm gonna wait on the dollar. I think I'm gonna wait on the dollar too. Well, no, Charlie, I'm gonna wait on the dollar too. Okay. Bullish volume is what we need. Bullish volume. I do notice that when there's a lot of bears in here, we have not as many buyers since then. For euro. Pound yen struggling here. Might have to go break even on it. I have faith though. I just don't like how it's holding there. Coming impatient. My emotions are coming impatient with it. Made a double top. Come on, man. Break that thing. What are you waiting on? Here you go. I think it's waiting on the 15-minute candle. I see immediate rejection after it breaks this, though. I gotta be careful. I don't see this traveling for long. Let's see. Let's see. I'll watch that on my actual broker. That was with the matters. I'm gonna watch the rest of the currencies here. Aussie taking its high. Come on, pound dollar, euro dollar. Give him some backup. There you go. Tech region. Boom. Okay. If I get to 500 on tech, I'll close it manually myself. There we go. Pound yen. Tech reaching now. I'm gonna let it keep going. I'm gonna let it keep going. Especially as pound yen comes to break here. We get the 5100. Maybe we can get the 5100 and I'll close. Technically tapped on my broker, it looks like. Pound yen moving so slow. No volume in this candle at all. Absolute no volume, which is crazy because it's breaking the high. Probably buy stops chilling right here. Boom. DXY breaking a low. Here we go. Volume entering in. I'll close tech. Okay. Chirping noise, which lets me know that that bell is about to ring. It started chirping at me, say, hey, Trev, I think you on to something, man. 1618 hit. Okay. cautious here as we raid New York highs from yesterday. 1618 here. Going break even. Didn't hit actually. But I see it coming. Close 0.5% on tech. Nice from risking a quarter. The silver bullet play hit on tech. Beautiful. I want to see pound yen finish out. DXY reaching. I want to see when it reached that 272. All right, come on, yen. Come on, yen. Right now, I'm going to stay until it. My only exit strategies are if it closes beneath the 13 EMA. I mean, the 5 or 13 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Really, the 5, because the 13 is the initial full pullback. Or if it's my target. Good little bit. I think you go 2 pips. 20 pips, I mean. 20 pips ain't nothing, man. Come on. Don't know, though. Watching price closely, though. I do got a lot of risk on the board. I'm up 2.5%. Trying not to be greedy here. I feel like I'm being patient. There's nothing wrong with me holding. Just aware of price action. We're in a hump. Now what? 350. Close of the hour. Big here. Something big. Something big. I want to hold. I want to hold so bad. I'm holding. And I want to close, but I'm holding. Testing the emotions. I'm holding. I'm holding. My emotions are going to get real tricky as price comes back below this candle. 2-1 wasn't hit though, so we got to hold. New weekly high. Daily high. Price rated yesterday high, weekly high. Pullback can come. I'm holding though. I'm holding. Yeah, I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm saying that to myself to convince myself to continue holding. No reason to close yet. No reason to close. Man, man. It's getting ugly here. I'm holding. How can I trust my emotions? It is very difficult right now to watch myself play with this break-even line. I'm holding. Come on. Come on. I'm holding. I'm holding. Don't look at the money. Look at the charts. The price is what the price action is what matters, not the money. Money is what I'm emotionally attached to for whatever reason. Emotionally attach myself to price. There you go. Yeah, emotionally attach yourself to that. Give you something to look at. Don't be naive, but give yourself something positive to look at. But be aware at the same time. Be aware of what the market is showing you and telling you. I'm holding. I'm holding. don't think the 15-minute candle closes like that. We fill back out, right? We fill that back out. I'm holding. Initial run. Remember on the initial run, there's still targeted imbalance down here. I'm holding. Don't really want to hold anything lower than that. I'm holding. Really want to close out if it once it gets below a certain point, 1.1 that gets below the 1-to-1. I'm holding. First close beneath the 150 SMA. Emotions are going to draw certain people in here. I'm holding. Adjusting stop loss back to initial setting. I'm holding. I want to challenge myself on this one. I'm holding. I'm holding. Bearish volume here exceeded. Holding. Nice to see that the silver bullet play on tech played out though. That's nice. Giving myself to talk something to talk about here. I'm holding. Technically, this could be demand right here. Price reacting off that high probability. Ooh, that's a tough sell. Gave you a clear BOA price action break. Mm. Mm. Holding. Actual TP was 33. That's crazy. We only want 30. I'm holding. Being rewarded for holding. Here we go. Dollar rejecting. Big rejection off the dollar. Let's go. Let's go. We're definitely holding now. We're holding. We are holding. I don't know why I just wanted. I just had a certain urge to enter a position on GJ. Do not do that. Do not jeopardize the emotions. We're holding. Let's go. Next level of buyers for the dollar down here. The 272 rejection. Come on, pound yen. No, what's going on? Oh, come on. I'm holding. I'm holding. I'm holding. Damn. Come on, pound yen. Come on now. Don't do that to me now. I'm holding. Go. 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 Don't do that to me now. Go. Yes. Go, 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 go. Looks like it's just holding for it's doing that fake out for the hour. I want to close half here to at least close 1%, but no, I need to hold. A 1,000 doesn't do me anything. Because that 2,000 isn't what I want. I'm holding. Tough to look at. Very tough to look at, but I'm holding. I think it just filled in that 15-minute candle that did. I'm holding this thing, man. Stay true. Stay true to the trade. Stay true to the trade. I'm holding. Aussie dollar reached its area of range, 5-minute, 15-minute resistant range. AU. Pound in a clear open. Nothing in the way of pound yen. Pound dollar, excuse me. I'm holding pound yen. 4 o'clock, new hour opening. Going again once for that yesterday's high and or yesterday's opening, excuse me, and the current weekly high. Targeting. We are holding. We are indeed holding. Got a confirmative break here on the dollar. Feel good. See if we can get some more volume. The currency strength of the pound currently to my currency heat wave is a 5.86. The yen is a 4, so the pound is currently stronger than the yen. We're holding. Pound is actually the strongest. Third strongest. You got New Zealand the strongest. Aussie the second strongest. Pound the third. So pound the third strongest currency. Feeling good. The dollar being second to weak at a 2.29. I'm holding here. Holding, we're holding. Big hold here. Big hold. Price went for 39 points out the A range, up 50 points off the daily opening. Definitely could come back here, but I'm holding. I have to submit myself to the trade, man. I'm holding. I'm in. Currently been how long? It's been 50 minutes since I've been in the trade. Price hit target 1 within 10 to 35 minutes. We're holding, man. We're holding. Now I have to ask myself, what do I do if price comes back to break even? Do I hold even more? Or do I go break? Do I get out the trade? It's tough, man. I'm holding. I'm gonna hold this. Tougher this is to look at. I'm gonna freaking hold this shit. I have to give myself a reason. Do I see price coming to continue? Is there a reason for price to break here within the next hour? To be honest, the trend still looks bullish to me. I still like this 30-minute bullish engulfing here. 5-minute trend still holding technically. Have not had a 13 EMA close. That'd be my next exit. My next exit. Have a reason to close. I'm holding. Structure 2 to 1 hit. Giving us some bullish reaction back above our 1 to 1 now. Here we can be rewarded for patience. The transfer of wealth is from the patient to the impatient. I mean, from the impatient to patient. If I can be rewarded for being patient. We haven't had a close beneath our 13 MA. So we ride. None of these things. Come on, volume. Pick up. Pick up, volume. We need these buyers to break volume barrier. Come on, GJ. Come on. Come on, GJ. You can see that I actually closed NASDAQ at its peak there. Manually closing because of the money that I had, not being a total emotionally attached. Just closing at the target, $500. Boom, I'm in and out. which actually wasn't even lined up with the initial 2-to-1, but I had what I needed and I accepted it. Now, pound yen, I could obviously close half here and make 1.5%. I could close full and bring myself to break even, but we are holding. I definitely do not want to be back in. One, for my emotions, and two, structurally wise. If it breaks beneath that 13 EMA again, it's definitely going to go lower. If it touches that 13 EMA again, which is the red line, I can see price coming back to this red line and closing below if it touches. But right now we're breaking, going for the high. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, pound yen. Come on, pound yen. There we go. There we go. Just work with me. I'll work with you. Get it to the 1618 at least, which is what? Where my actual target is. Come on. At least get up to the 1618. Come on. At first, I had my break even target at the 1618, but now I actually just moved it beneath this structure. I don't want to be in below that anymore. Trying to get this full 2-to-1 target hit, which is going to give me 85% of it. I'm not going to lie, I might just close it off. I'm going to let the partial TV hit there first because it might do a bullish run exceeding past it. Let's see. Nice engulfing. Nice 3-minute price action is bullish. Come on. Reacting within that demand that was down there. Crazy. Here we go. Buyers in. Volume in. Volume in. Volume gaining. Let's see. Volume exceeding the sellers here. Sellers are exceeding the buyers on Aussie dollar. Pound dollar picking up volume. Pound picking up volume. Come on, pound. There we go. Come on, pound. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. Half me wants to scale in my stop loss just for comfort, but I'll manually close if anything. It's too dangerous now. Yep. Here we go. Getting close to that 1618. Okay. Here we go. Talk to me, man. Volume pickup. Come on. Come on. There you go. Boom. Daily high, new weekly high. We're at the weekly high. Pushing. Pushing. 4 minutes left in this counter. Let's go. Breaking through the 1618. Hit our target, man. Hit our target, man. Yes, sir, man. Hit our target, man. Hit the target on there, man. Hit the target on there, man. Come on. Come on. Hit it. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. You got it. You got it. You got it. Come on now. You got it now. I know you got it in you. I know you got it in you. Yes, sir, man. I know you got it in you now. Nice volume pickup. I don't care. I'm out. I'm out. Boom. 4,000. I saw it. I'm out. I'm out, man. I'm out. Oh, man. Let's go. That's all I wanted was the 2%. Price could continue up higher. That's all right. My emotions couldn't take it anymore. Oh, shoot. Which I know it is, too. Which is going to pick me off as I watch it. Made back what I wanted and some. Let's go. 2 silver bullet plays. First one off tech. Right. Took the first one off NASDAQ. I'll go ahead and review and show that now. The London silver bullet play. This filled in this gap. Saw price come back in. Tech was a nice fill in. Nice. I risked 1/4% off this. Only got 0.5%. Risking 1/4. GJ blowing crazy. I knew it. I knew GJ was going to do it. My emotions couldn't handle it, dude. I had to get out. I had to get out. Boom. Nice close. Nice close. Okay. Ooh. I took what I wanted though. Took what I wanted. That's a nice 2,900 profit for the day, man. I'm chilling, man. Chilling, man. Ooh. Feel good now, man. I told you I'm holding, man. Diamond hands. I got rewarded for waiting. I got rewarded for waiting. So that was, oh man, that was the two plays. You can see price pull it back. Came in, got out right there a little bit. I did close early. Still did a trading error, but hey, man, two beautiful trades. Maximize profits off this NASDAQ. Sure. Two amazing setups. After trying to take some L's, we will review the losses. So I tried to take a sell here on NASDAQ the first time based off of price coming back to filling this imbalance. What it did actually do is take the liquidity low, hit 1-to-1 on the target. I think that's what it 1-to-1. It doesn't matter. Took the low, bounced up. See, it was balancing off the EMA, kind of took some highs in here, came back, filled in this gap. I saw it, didn't take this, but I saw this filling this in. I was like, nah, it didn't. It wasn't initial. Kind of just filled in one candle, like my 3 candle fair value gap. Came up, break the highs, came and took liquidity. And then after it settled itself, I remember I said I'm not going to rush anything on Nasdaq. The currencies are setting themselves up better, and that's when I took opportunity to find GJ. See, if I would have stayed on Nasdaq when the market wasn't, the time wasn't ready, I would have probably missed something on GJ. And you know what I'm saying? Thankfully, I came back to it, saw price pull back, didn't risk too much, didn't cause my emotions to do too much, and I was able to maximize a profitability close. Pound yen, you know what I'm saying? Doing what it's doing, man. It's just feels good. And then only review this. What did I try and take on euro? Oh, this the same setup. The buy that was here, right? I wasn't comfortable with the accumulation. Look, price literally is just ranging in here. I saw price make this high after this bullish extended move. I believe the DXY had a presentable barrier in front of it, and I needed to break the lows, which it did. And interesting enough, there was no reaction of that on the dollar. Actually, it broke the low on the DXY and then stood there. Stood there, meaning price hasn't moved once it did it. We were looking for price to come and take these lows right in here, which it did, and now the price is just kind of floating in between, which is okay. If I were to measure this retracement here, price is gonna look to be floating around in here until it decides to go into another area. But oh yeah, man, I'm done, man. I'm gonna take my break from the charts now. Go focus and flow on something else. It felt good. I needed that. I needed that win. I needed that psychological trade. This was a big trade, big day. Yes, sir. Appreciate you, man. Love and peace.